welcome back to the channel. Okay, this is the story. Mira and I are going for a ride today. It's a cracking day. A bit cloudy, but nice and warm. We're going to go out to Glen Lyon Dam, have a look around, maybe find a bit of a dirt road and see how we go. Could be gone for a few hours, so yeah, come with, enjoy the ride. Oh, hello.
Put me on the camera.
Oh, don't put me on the camera. Too late. Let's go. First things first. Fuel. What's it today? $2.03 a litre. You'd almost call that cheap by today's standards. Okay, we're almost at the entrance to Glen Lyon Dam. Been a nice ride so far. Probably about an hour into it. Temperature's 26 at the moment. Just met a few of the locals. There's one up under the tree there, a few skippies around and some, I don't know if they're wild goats, but they're just running around. There's a few goats here. So still looks pretty full. Fair bit of water. It's a deep dam, this one. Goes for about 30 kilometres long, roughly, give or take. Oh, there we go, look out. Yep, off you go, mate. There's a couple of goats that I was talking about. 3 goats down there. So we'll go up and have a look at the lookout at the dam wall. Hey? I don't know what was wrong with it. It just turned itself off. Typical GoPro stuff. Anyhow, we pulled over. We're gonna launch a drone.
Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I say you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need the money when you look like that, do you, honey? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah. I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away, yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl? Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. I you look so fine that I really wanna make you mine. 4, 5, 6, come on and get your kicks. Now you don't need money with a face like that, do ya? Big black boots, long brown hair. She's so sweet with her get back stare. Well, I could see you home with me, but you were with another man, yeah. I know we ain't got much to say before I let you get away, yeah. I said, are you gonna be my girl?
Glen Lyon Dam. Okay YouTubers, we're about to leave Glen Lyon Dam. We are heading home. Had a nice lunch up at the lookout. Yeah, a bit of a day out, so it's all been really good. Let's see if this old thing works. Okay, let's go. We're probably going to leave it here for today. It's just a ride back along the bitumen, a little bit boring, so I won't make you sit through that. If you did enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'd like to thank you for coming along on this episode of 1-2 Adventure. Oh, didn't have the camera going either. Yep. I don't know if you can see that up there, YouTubers. Pretty well hidden. Straight up there, there's a little buck deer. Little reindeer for Christmas. There you go. I heard there's plenty of them. Still up there under the tree. Okay.